Welcome to the notes on function notation. So let's get right to it. What is function notation? Function notation is when it's written like this, and this f of x, all right? It means a function of x. And the way we say that again is it's read f of x. Okay, that's how we say it. Now all you need to know, it's really pretty simple, is instead of using a y equals f of x. So wherever you used to say y, now we're just going to use f of x. Okay, and that's really all it is converting to function notation. So just remind you a little hint here. Again, note that f of x is a special symbol used to denote a function. The symbol f of x is read f of x. It does not mean f times x, okay? So some people do get confused there. Little note on that. So let's take a look at some examples how we're going to use it. Okay, so let's say we have this equation, y equals 2x plus 1. That's the way we're used to seeing it written. But we said that f of x equals y. So instead of putting a y here, we're going to write that as a function f of x, and I'm going to put that in blue, and you'll see why in a second, equals 2 times x plus 1. So all I did, instead of putting a y, I put a f of x. Again, we said y equals f of x. And then what they're going to ask you to do is they're going to ask you to evaluate it. So they may say 4 f of 1. All right, now I'm actually going to erase that and put that in blue, because what that means is for wherever there's an x, we're going to put a 1. So let me show you how these problems work. So we're going to say, hey, f of 1 equals 2 times x, but we said x is 1 plus 1. So then we just evaluate it. So f of 1 equals 2 times 1 is 2, all right, plus 1. So that f of 1 equals 3. So what does that mean? That is an ordered pair, just like we've been doing. We said x is 1, and our y value is 3. All right, f of 1 or y would equal 3. So that's an ordered pair. That's what that means by that. All right, let's try a couple more now that we've got the hang of it. Let's find f of 2. All right, if I was going to find f of 2, I would use the same equation. Again, equals 2x plus 1. And then I'm going to solve for 2, just like I did before. So f of 2 equals 2. F equals 2 times. Now where I see the 2, I'm going to put, where I see an x, I'm going to put 2. And then I'm going to add the 1. Again, I'm repeating this step. You don't have to do this every time, but I just want to show you that. So f of 2 equals 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. So f of 2 equals 5. So again, as an ordered pair, we just found that 2, 5. Okay, f of 2 is your x. Then whatever it equals, that is your y value. So that's how you use function notation. That's how you solve problems involving function notation.